Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel Lubna Scholars. As in this week we will discuss about Turkey. So why not about its climate? Turkey's weather is a fascinating blend of diverse climates shaped by its unique geographical location at the crossroads of Europe and Asia. This diversity results in significant regional variations, creating a rich tapestry of weather patterns across the country. Coastal regions, the coastal areas along the Aegean and Mediterranean seas, enjoy a classic Mediterranean climate. Here you can expect hot, dry summers and mild, wet winters, making these regions popular for tourism and agriculture. The city of Antalya and Izmir, for instance, benefit from long sunny days and warm temperatures throughout the summer, while winters are relatively mild with occasional rainfall. Black Sea Coast. In stark contrast, the Black Sea coast features a humid maritime climate. This region experiences heavy rainfall year round, particularly in the eastern part, with the city of Rize being one of the wettest places in Turkey. The lush green landscapes of this area are a testament to its high humidity and frequent rain showers. Inland and central regions. Moving inland, Turkey's central plateau, including cities like Ankara, experience a semi-arid continental climate. Summers here are hot and dry, while winters can be cold and snowy. The temperature variations between summer and winter are more pronounced than in the coastal regions. Eastern Highlands. The eastern highlands of Turkey, including areas around Mount Ararat, experience a more extreme continental climate. Winters are long and harsh, with heavy snowfall and very low temperatures, whereas summers can be hot but are often shorter in duration. Southeastern Turkey, including cities like Şanlıurfa and Diyarbakir, has a climate that borders on semi-arid. This region endures some of the hottest temperatures in the country during the summer, with relatively mild and short winters. Climate change impact. Turkey is also feeling the effects of climate change with rising temperatures, changing precipitation patterns, and more frequent droughts, impacting various regions differently. These changes are influencing agriculture, water resources, and overall weather patterns. Turkey's climate is diverse as its geography, leading to some interesting and lesser known facts. Diverse climate zones. Turkey experiences a variety of climates due to its geographical diversity. These range from Mediterranean and Aegean climates along the western and southern coast to continental climate in the interior and even a maritime climate along the Black Sea coast. Microclimates within regions. The country's complex topography creates microclimates. For example, Anatolia on the Mediterranean coast enjoy a subtropical climate, while nearby highlands can experience cooler, more temperate conditions. Extreme variations. Extreme temperatures while coastal areas enjoy mild winters, the interior of the country can experience harsh cold winters with heavy snowfall. In contrast, summers can be scorching hot and particularly in southeastern regions like San Liorarfa. Rain shadow effect. The Taurus mountain create a rain shadow effect leading to much drier conditions on their leeward side. This results in significant differences in rainfall within relatively short distances. Semi-arid conditions. Central Anatolia, including cities like Ankara, experience a semi-arid climate with hot dry summers and cold snowy winters. This area receives significantly less rainfall compared to the coastal regions. High rainfall in the Black Sea region. The Black Sea coast, particularly the eastern part, receives some of the highest rainfall in Turkey. With Rize being one of the wettest cities, this region enjoys a humid maritime climate, promoting lush green landscapes. Warm Mediterranean climate. The Aegean and Mediterranean coast enjoy a typically Mediterranean climate with hot dry summers and mild wet winters. This climate supports extensive agriculture activities including olive and citrus groves. Permanent glaciers. Despite its generally warm climate, Turkey is home to permanent glaciers. Mount Ararat, the country's highest peak, has a glacier at its summit, which is a rare feature for the region. Lake effect show. Some regions near large bodies of water, like Lake Van, experience lake effect snow, where cold air passing over the warmer water body picks up moisture and deposits it as snow. Biodiversity hotspot. The diverse climates support a wide range of ecosystems and biodiversity. Turkey is one of the world's biodiversity hotspots, home to numerous plants and animal species that thrive in its varied climates. Unique weather patterns. In some regions like the eastern highlands, temperature inversions can occur in winter, trapping cold air in valleys and leading to prolonged periods of freezing temperatures even when surrounding areas are warmer. These facts highlight the complexity and variety of Turkey's climate, making it a country with rich and diverse environmental conditions. Overall, Turkey's weather is a complex and varied subject influenced by its diverse topography and location. Whether you are enjoying the wild winters of the Mediterranean coast, the lush greenery of the Black Sea region, or the stark contrasts of the Central Plateau, Turkey's weather offers something for everyone. I hope you have liked this video, so kindly like, subscribe and share my channel. We will meet in the next video with next topic. Until then, take care and goodbye.